Hindi na dapat pang maluklok sa pwesto sa 2022 ang sino mang kaalyado ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ayon sa koalisyong Isang Bayan na inilunsad ngayong Huwebes sa Makati. Si retired Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, chairman ng grupo, sinabing layunin nilang pag-isahin ang oposisyon.
The understanding of everybody that unless we are united, we cannot win in 2022. So the unifying force is that we have the majority, but the majority will become a minority if they are divided.
This is a matter of national survival for us. This government is really incompetent. They've been tested and everybody is saying kulelat sila.
Malawak ang sakop ng koalisyon na nagnanais umanong maibalik ang integridad sa gobyerno at maayos at tapat na pamumuno. Ayon sa Isang Bayan, hindi pasado ang Duterte administration sa usapin ng COVID-19 response, West Philippine Sea, extrajudicial killing, human rights at katiwalian. Bukod kay Carpio, conveners din sina dating SC Associate Justice at dating Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales, dating Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del